Thank you. We, DPS family, welcome Madam Mishra and Executive Director, Sales and Headmistress Girija Nandini to this beautiful evening of winter frolic. We thank you for kindly being the chief guest for this lovely program conducted by Class 5. We fully appreciate you finding the time to be with us.
We will yourself discover at the colors of cultural peace and food. At Simran Party and our Ayush Mohanty are your anchors for today's gala evening. We promise to take you all to a different world filled with creativity. Our relationship with life is as old as our beginning. We have always been drawn for light. It stands for auspiciousness, prosperity and abundance. Light brings brightness and dispels darkness. And one begins to see things clearly. The oil used to light the lamp represents negative human tendencies. The wick of a lamp symbolizes the ego. The flame which always looks up represents spiritual knowledge that evolves towards a higher consciousness. We request our respected chief guest, our own Geeta ma'am, principal sir, and headmistress Girija Nandini ma'am to light the ceremonial lamp. We express our deep love and respect for our honorable guests and dear principal sir with a floral bouquet. We all Principal Sir, the sculptor of human character and navigator of this flagship of knowledge to enlighten all of us with his valuable words. Sir, please.
Honorable Chief Guest of today's evening, ED Sales Safety Organization, Mr. Bharat Misra, your favorite Gita ma'am, Headmistress Mrs. Misra, my colleagues, parents, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are honored due to the gracious presence of Mr. Misra, who, in spite of his busy schedule, could make it to come from Ranchi to shower his blessings on our tiny tots, children. And it is a rare and a very good combination that Mrs. Misra has organized the whole show and Mr. Misra is the chief guest. And one talent, probably Mr. Misra has never seen, the talent of his good wife here in the school. And it is again a rare opportunity. I welcome him from the core of my heart. And for showering his blessings on our children. And these days, when any annual function is organized, or when I meet parents, normally I say a few words, and that will be my normal duty, and that I'll be doing today. You're all proud parents, and you will definitely feel proud when your children will pass class 10th or 12th, because you have put your trust on DPS. And I am sure we will come to your expectation, and we will groom your children the way you expect. But what I want to say you is, sometimes parents or anybody, we extrapolate the past to future. When I say this, we normally think that our child, after passing class 12th, will either go for engineering line or medical or maybe law. We have a preset of mind. Please do not have this. When we have something for our children, then I feel it is a barbaric activity. That means, we hammer our children. We do not know what for they are created, what for God has sent, but we want to hammer him from all the sides, and we want to give a shape. Because people in the past were doing that. We want to extrapolate the past to future. But remember, future is different, past is different. Future is full of uncertainties. Gone are those days when we were easily extrapolating the past to the future. Future is full of uncertainties. What we have to do is, we have to train our children so that they will remain prepared to face these changes. And if we can prepare the children for that, they will be, good human beings. Good, I mean, they will be prepared for the changes, They will have a good stress management, and if they have got good marks in this academic examination, maybe class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, or maybe in engineering or medical, after they pass out, when they become a doctor, an engineer, medical, lawyer, whatever profession they will choose, there when they face their life daily, in that daily examinations they will come out successful. They will remain in a state of happiness, rather a state of bliss. When we say happiness, again, happiness will be followed by sorrow. They should be above happiness and sorrow. They should always remain in a state of bliss. They should have compassion. They should have empathy. They should have fellow feeling. They should be above caste, creed, religion. They should always think positive. No kind of negativity should come to them. They will think positive. They will feel confident about themselves. If these qualities we can inculcate here, then I think we will be grooming them into good citizens. Sometimes when a child comes with less mark, the parents become unhappy. Then you see this unhappiness you are teaching. When you give them a slap, you are teaching how to give a slap when you are unhappy. But when the child comes with less mark and you become empathetic, you share your emotions and you try to find out the problem, then those qualities also you teach the children. Please see to these small things. Then the son or daughter whom you are grooming, he will be yours. Otherwise, if you are torturing him these days, after he becomes, now he will not say anything because you are powerful and he is not able to react. The reaction will start when he comes to class 8th or 9th. When the child attains the age of 13, he will start revolting because now he is becoming powerful. You are weak. And then you say, you see, my child is not listening to me. But who has done this? You have taught that. And the way you have taught, the same way he is reacting. So, if you teach him the good qualities, supposing you teach him, don't give the notes to anybody. Later on, the same trick he will play with you also. Supposing you say something wrong, which hurts his sentiments or something, he will also reply which will hurt you when he becomes a teenager. That time you cannot help yourself. And when he gets married, the same way as you have behaved with your parents, as you have behaved with others, the same way you will also behave. Because life is a process of learning. Please see to all these things. Again, I'll tell you one more thing. Because earlier we used to have, say maybe about 6 or 7 children. Now every family is having either 1 or 2 children. Be emotionally attached with them. If you are not sharing your time, your love with them, then the child will get detached from you. Because they have no option. If you are getting attached to TV, mobile, internet, and the child feels lonely, you do not know what the child will do. So please see to all these things also. And here, in school, we are taking all care for your words to see that their left brain and right brain both are developing. Left brain, when I say, it is just like rote memory, your mathematics, science, what the child is learning. And when I say right brain, we teach him how to imagine things, how to think. If the child is able to think, remember, a thought will have a form, it's a mental form. Thought is also having a life. It is just like this. Supposing you throw a ball, then the ball is not under your control. So long as the ball is there with you, then you can throw it the direction in which you like. Similarly, so long as you are thinking and imagining it is there with you, once the thought comes out, that is not under your control. So these thoughts should take a good form, and if these thoughts take a good form, it can imagine well. And this right brain, you see that your child is using, then he can imagine, and he can create. Otherwise, what will happen? Whatever essay, supposing 4 essays the teachers have given, the same essay he will get by heart and write, word for word. Supposing in mathematics, learn some formula, again he will be able to solve the problems, but he doesn't know why to solve. He will not be able to relate the mathematics to real life. He will not know what for he is doing mensuration, what for he is doing addition, subtraction, whatever algebra, trigonometry. And sometimes I also do not know what for I did all those problems in my class, intermediate career or graduation. This is what happens. If we can relate, that is good. And if you can imagine, it is good for you, because the child will be a creative one. And please see, initial years, the child will not get good marks, but if he knows how to use his right brain properly, what we have started from this year, from November onwards, we have given a lot of activities, only because the children should know how to use their right brain. So long we are only giving emphasis on left brain. The child should get into IIT, child should get into NIT, but we do not know how to use the right brain. Let them start using the right brain. Then they will be successful in every field of their life. You see, one statistics was taken. Say, they took all successful people from all fields, like all, from the field of medicine, from the field of, engineering, from the field of business, and, the spiritual persons and all that. And it was seen how many of them were good in academically in their childhood days. It was found only 5%. That means 95% those who were not getting good marks in their school and college life became successful later in industry, when as an entrepreneur, as an engineer, as a doctor, whatever. Then you see, this 95% we are not providing the children, and that is why what I have instructed now, that we should see to these aspects, and that is how we have started. And many changes will come in the near future, in the coming years, so that your child, whatever you have given a sapling to us, and we will see that he grows to a full banyan tree. And that is our commitment. Again, at the end, I again warmly welcome our Chief Guest, Mr. Bharat Mishra, Madam Mishra, and all of you, those who are present today, to encourage our children. Thank you.
आपकी प्यारी प्यारी आरजे प्रियल, मैं आज आपको कुछ ऐसा सुनाने जा रही हूँ जो आपने पहले कभी किसी आरजे से नहीं सुना होगा। पहचान कौन? मैं पार्वती हंसा, बोले तो पैलेंटून फेमिना मिस बनी। मुझे यहाँ कुछ बोलने के लिए कहा गया। अब मैं क्या बोलूँ बबुआ, 5वीं पास हूँ। लेकिन इतनी बात तो सच है, अगर मैं मिस नहीं बनी होती तो मैंने तो अपने भाई को बोल दिया था राउरकेला को उड़ा देने का। अरे दाऊद भाई ने तो बोल दिया था 2-4 बम का बाइक ले जा। मुंबई तो 60 घंटे तक हमारी मुट्ठी में था। ये राउरकेला का चीज है। चलो ये तो हो गया, अब बोलो मैंने जो पहना उसका दर्जी कौन? का बोले उसको? रितु। अरे हाँ, रितु जामुन। बोले तो मेरा मेकअप कौन किया? का नाम था रे उसका? मिक्की माउस। अरे नहीं, मिक्की कंट्रैक्टर। चलो बहुत मच हो गया रे, अब अपन जाती है। थैंक यू राउरकेला वासियों, टाटा बाय बाय। आपको मजा तो आया ही होगा ना? स्टे ट्यून विद 92.7 बिग एफएम। सुनाओ, लाइव बनाओ।
Can measure the real feeling of time.
Now, here we have a beautiful English play on tenses.
It's all in the dark ethics of mind. Time mingles.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hey, why did not you come yesterday? Where were you?
Sir, I go to Mumbai. No. I tomorrow went to Mumbai. No. I did went to Mumbai.
What? Oh my boy, you did went to Mumbai or you went to Mumbai?
Sir, I not know. You understand what I say?
Oh yes, I am understanding that your tenses are not clear. Let me tell you a story to clear your concept of tenses.
Called Queen Tense, who ruled over the entire universe.
I'm Queen Tense. I'm also known as Time. I rule over the entire universe. I have 3 admirable sons. They are past, present, and future.
She had 3 lovely sons. The elder one, Mr. Past. The middle one, Mr. Present. And the youngest of all, Mr. Future.
Hey friends, I am Mr. Past. I rule over entire past. Let me introduce my daughters. My first daughter is Simple Past. Hi, I'm Simple Past. I help people when they talk about an action which took place at a particular time in the past. For instance, Ram wrote a letter yesterday. Now, let me introduce my second daughter. My second daughter is Past Continuous. Hello, I am Past Continuous Tense. Like my sister, I also help people, but in a different way. I help people when they talk about an action which was going on a particular time in past. For example, Ram was writing a letter at 5 p.m. My third daughter is Past Perfect. Hey friends, I'm Past Perfect. People often get confused about my usage, so listen carefully. I help you people to talk about an action which took place before another action. For instance, Ram has already written a letter before I came. Wait friends, I know that you all are very curious to see my fourth daughter. My fourth daughter is Past Perfect Continuous. Past Perfect Continuous Tense. I am not as useful and popular as my sisters, but I do have my own identity. I help people when they talk about an action which was going on for a longer period of a time and somewhere in the past. For example, Ram has been writing a letter. Hope you understood us, the past tense. I am Mr. Present. I rule over the entire present. Just now you have great pleasure to introduce you all. And do you know, they have a specified roles to play. So let friends meet my first daughter, Simple Present Tense.
Everybody knows me very well. I'm Simple Present Tense. I help people when they talk about their routines, their likes, dislikes, hobbies, facts, and universal truths. Hey, do not get confused between me and my sister, Present Continuous.
Oh yes, I am Present Continuous Tense. I help you all in many ways, especially when you all talk about an action which is going on in front of your eyes. I will give you an example. You are talking, and you are smiling, and we are dancing.
third daughter, present perfect tense.
Hello everybody, I am present perfect tense. I join past with present. I help you all to talk about an action which took place in past, but rest of the action is still there in the present. So I'll make it clear with an example. Ram has just written a letter.
And friends, meet my youngest daughter, present perfect continuous tense.
Hello everybody, I am present perfect continuous tense. Most of you think my sister present continuous and I have got same work to do. We can be used one for the other, but no, I have my own identity and form. I help people when they talk about an action which is started in the past and also continue in the future when we are speaking. Let me tell a sentence. You have been watching this play for 5 minutes. Another example. Ram has been writing a letter since the play started.
Hope you have understood us. The tense. My youngest son is future tense. Hi, I'm Mr. Future, the youngest of all. I rule over the entire. My first daughter is simple future.
You talk about an action that's yet to take place. For an example, Ram will write a letter.
My second daughter is future continuous.
Oh yes, I am future continuous tense. I help you all when you talk about an action which will be going on in the future. For an example, Ram will write a letter when Sita arrives.
Wait friends, let me introduce my third daughter. She is future perfect.
Hi, I am future perfect tense. I help to express an idea that something will occur before another action in the future. It can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. For an example, Ram will have written a letter.
And my fourth daughter is future perfect continuous tense.
Yes, as my father told you, I'm future perfect continuous tense. You all hardly know me, but I do have my own existence. I assist you all to show that something will continue up until a particular time or event in future. For 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday are all the durations which I use with me.
Hope you have understood us, the future tense.
I, along with my sons and granddaughters, rule over the entire universe.
Now, do you know tenses or not? Yes, sir. Now I do know the concept of tenses. Tell me, why did not you come yesterday? I did not come yesterday because I went to Mumbai. That's correct. Now, did you realize, children, how easy and interesting these tenses are? If you learn something in a different way, you'll not only enjoy but also understand even difficult topics like tenses.
the most effective kind of education is that a child should play amongst lovely things. Children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes impression. Dear parents, we can make the learning more effective through fun and entertainment.
Here we have our dancers who will take us into the other world of dream with their mesmerizing performance on Hari Vari Vasundarai Neela Neela Ye Gagan.
दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी चमक रही उमंग भरी ये किसने फूल फूल पे ये किसने फूल फूल पे किया सिंगार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन तपस्वियों सी हैं अटल ये पर्वतों की चोटियां ये सर्प सी घुमेरदार घेरदार घाटियां ध्वजा से ये खड़े हुए ध्वजा से ये खड़े हुए हैं वृक्ष देवदार के गलीचे ये गुलाब के बगीचे ये बहार के ये किस कवि की कल्पना ये किस कवि की कल्पना का चमत्कार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन कुदरत की इस पवित्रता को तुम निहार लो इसके गुणों को अपने मन में तुम उतार लो चमका लो आज लालिमा चमका लो आज लालिमा अपने ललाट की कण कण से झांकती तुम्हें सभी विराट की अपनी तो आंख एक है अपनी तो आंख एक है उसकी हजार है
announcements.
We are extremely honored to have Executive Director, Sales Safety Organization, Shri Bharat Bhushan Mishra, as a chief guest for the evening. A dynamic personality and a technocrat par excellence, he is regarded as an expert in his field. With his multifaceted experience and his right blend of technical expertise and leadership abilities, SAIL will benefit by ramping up its new facilities. I request our esteemed chief guest, Shri Bharat Bhushan Mishra, to please address the gathering, followed by prize distribution. I humbly request our principal sir to accompany the guest. Sir, please.
Namaskar. Shubha Sandhya. A very good evening to you all. Respected Principal Shri Siddharth Rath, Madam Girijanandani Mishra, Headmistress, esteemed faculties of DPS, respected parents, and my dear children, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to be here in this evening and having the opportunity of witnessing such wonderful performances. So I must thank the principal and the organizers for giving me an opportunity. Though I am from Rourkela, Rourkela is my village. I am here since my childhood. But then I hardly get such opportunity to enjoy such programs. At Ranchi, of course, I used to go to DPS and other schools once in a year sometimes. But here, somehow or other, I was thrilled. The opening song was so good. I was really thrilled with the opening song. And then teaching grammar with a play and having the matka dance. Of course, Principal Sir was telling that it's a very good dance, but I was a little worried because the safety was in question. And by virtue of working here in this company and taking over the responsibility of safety of this company, I was a little worried that whether the people will be able to perform it to the perfection. But fact remains, towards the end, the perfection improved. So from the first stage when they were putting on the matka, when the last time they did it, it was much super and with much perfection they did it. Here I would like to just tell, because Principal Sahib has given you many nice tips within his short talk, and which will be really beneficial for the parents if they take it to their house and practice it. But I will say that whenever we used to go to organize a function like this, anything, whether it is a Bratopan, what we tell, or a marriage or anything, you will find in the invitation card, everybody, particularly any Hindu for that matter, everybody puts on the top, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprava, Nirvignam Kurumedeva, Sarvakaryashu Sarvada. What is the basic of this thing? The main reason is that whenever we have planned major activities, we do not want to take any chance, and we pray God that nothing should go other than our planning, so that we call it an accident. So I will request even the children as well as the parents, whenever we are taking up any activities, anything, even starting from your house when you are coming to the school, I think take the name of Lord Ganesha, and rather what I will say, it is indirectly remembering safety, so that at least you are a little careful and you reach your destination well. At the same time, while you are performing your job, again keep it in your mind so that you are able to do the job in a better way, in a safer way. And again you are able to go back to your house. So this is a part of my job, that is why I have told you. Second, I will tell that kindly teach your children to behave as a team member. Maybe individually they may be having enough capabilities, they must have gathered a lot of skill, and it is good that every person should acquire maximum skill and they should be superb in their field. But when they are working in a team, if they are not able to behave like a good team member, and if you are not looking for the organizational goal, then I think maybe we will not be able to reach the destination with which idea we are moving ahead. I will just cite a simple example because everybody, I think, from the children of class 1 also, they might have seen Mahabharata. Everybody has seen Mahabharata. And I think in Mahabharata you have seen that there was no one like Bhishma, a warrior like Bhishma. Is there anybody who can defeat Bhishma? No. Then let us remember Karna, who was super in his area. But all these people, though they were there with the Kauravas, but their personal agenda was different. Though they were fighting, even he was the Pradhan Senapati, even this man was also taking the charge of the fight at the last day. But they were having the personal agenda. They were trying to prove their own worth instead of working that the Kauravas should win. Whereas Yudhishthira, a person who never told lie in his lifetime, he left that quality for the team members, for the interest of the team. He spoke a lie. He spoke a lie because he was part of the team. And that is how Pandavas could able to win the war against all these people. And what matters, particularly when we are seeing these dances, these are opportunities for innovation. The same, I think, with the same song, maybe different groups will perform different dances, different actions. What is that? Because though we are trying to do a particular thing, but there are different ways. And that is how it matters. What principals were telling, it appealed me a lot. That 5%, you were telling that 5% academically very talented people, they could able to go high. Whereas 95% people are not like that. It is only because these 95% people, they tried to follow the same path which has been created or which was followed for years together. They just followed that blindly instead of trying to do anything new. And the other people, those who had tried to do the same thing in a little different way, they were recognized because of their action. So we must give that opportunity to our children so that they try to prove and they try it in a different way. And these are I think, maybe in the reading other activities are there, but then these are also opportunities where a person can think otherwise, which will not hurt you much also. Otherwise, in maybe reading, suppose sometimes your son will write a letter or an essay and put certain lines for which he gets less mark. As principals were telling, I was really thinking that yes, normally parents used to behave like that. Even in our time also, I think we were also behaving the same way when our children were reading. So when he scores some less marks, then we become somehow other frustrated. What this boy had done. But maybe that was at that step. But the next step, if we encouraged him, okay, maybe here it did not click, try it to the next step. And then we will find that he will surpass all others and he will go ahead. So we must try to give the children all this support and try to encourage them so that, again, I am just because sitting there after a long time in a school and listening to principal, I was thinking for some time I was having a feeling of a student and having some learning experience. Because unless if you want to prove here, the parents, you will find many parents are there, those who try to prove instead of coming and learning. Okay, children are learning, but at the same time we have also got enough scope to learn in a school whenever you are coming. So if you are having that thing, then your right brain, the right brain will be exercised, you will give opportunity for them to put that in use, and maybe in totality you will find the performance will improve. I do not want to take much time because you must be listening so much from the teachers and principals, and you are definitely not prepared to listen all these things from me. But because I got the opportunity and principals have told me to speak something, so that is why I am telling. But I will tell that I am really thrilled with the performance and seeing the arrangement and everything. And maybe, let me tell you very honestly, though it is something few days back, I have organized an international seminar at Ranchi on safety and health in steel industry. And unfortunately, the last moment, just before 30 hours, the minister who was supposed to come to attend my function as chief guest, he told that he was having some personal problems, a health problem, and he will not be able to attend. And that time, nobody was there from Delhi or anywhere who was in a position to help me. But somehow there, keeping my own resources and strength, I approached our governor. Jharkhand governor, and with though all his ADC and other people, they were telling governor never used to attend such program, but she agreed. And she came there to attend my program as chief guest. And because she is a lady from Odisha, I think might be knowing she is Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. So I was forced again, though it was not a program like that, but I was forced, Mrs. Misra was there, all other Mrs. those who were there, I requested them to kindly come and please attend our inaugural program, though it was not a part of that earlier, but you must grace because the lady governor is coming here to address our program and she is attending a chief guest. And I think, again, by taking help of principal, she has just, for every action there is opposite and equal reaction, and that has been done. And today I am here in a program which she is organizing here in charge of class 5. So at the end I will only tell that the song, opening song, where we have heard Subhu, Utkolaro, Joyagiti, I will say the efforts of students, principals, staff will definitely enable, and I will say that Subhu, DPS, Raurukaro, Joyagiti. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Governors, member of Board of Governors, Mr. Karunakaran has just arrived. Please welcome, sir. Shruti Sahu, Pradeep Kumar Sethi. Chinmay Samantray, Priyal Singhal, Vanshika Srivastav, Sanchita Kiran, Ashmit Chandra, Kalpita Suvadarshini, 27.